now.
I can't eat.
Yes. What fruits are you eating, Samuel?
Grape.
And what else?
Nothing.
How many fruits do you have over there?
Over there's apple.
Okay.
And grape.
And
Eating.
what else you have fruits in the front?
Hmm?
What else you have?
Orange and banana.
Banana,
And apple.
apple, and
Orange.
orange. And what is that?
Grape.
Grape. Can you tell me one song?
Not.
Can you tell me that I like to eat apple and banana?
Yes, I like to
Eat apple and banana. Samia, can you sing a song with us?
No, I want apple and grape. I like to
Eat apple and bananas.
I like to
Eat apple and bananas. I like to eat apple and bananas.
apple.
What are you eating, Samia?
Orange.
Orange?
And inside the apple is
Can you sing a song? I like to eat apple and banana.
Inside the apple is outside is red and inside is yellow.
Okay.
Inside look.
Can you count how many apple and bananas, how many orange we have, Samuel?
2, 1 banana and 2 orange and 1 apple and many grapes. Lots of grapes.
Can you count the how many you got orange there?
1, 2.
Then how many banana?
1.
Then how many apple?
1.
Then how many grapes?
I don't know. Yes.
So many grapes, right?
Yeah.
Samia,
Yeah.
you like grapes or apple?
Yes.
Grape?
Yes.
Okay.
Grape.
Yay!
A grape with a.
Samia eating apple
Why are you laughing?
because Samuel eating apple.
No, I'm apple.
Then I let it go again
Why did you let it go?
because it's my finger. So let's go again because it's my finger. So now.
My house gonna be different. Nobody don't know. And we need these 2 bags. Please tell me, buddy. for my house. My put on a top and we can go to the This is his chair. He sit down now. He sit down. He sit down outside. He don't know. He like to fly in the swimming pool. Swimming pool. Where he go? He's funny. He's a freeze. Mommy's a freeze. If he sit down again, he go in swimming pool. My house is done. Good. Look, this I go outside.